Hello everyone! Today, we'll learn how to use advanced voting features in BBP Core. Before we begin, make sure your BBP Core Pro license is activated. First, navigate to your WordPress dashboard. Go to the BBPC settings, then to Voting. Now enable BBP voting features. Here you can see there are many options available under voting labels, voting buttons, view-only scores, admin voting and sort by voting scores. You can enable them or disable them as you like. Save your settings. Now go to Topics Forum page. Here you can vote in this topic. Let's vote. This is how voting system works in here. Thank you for watching.